I'm sitting in at 40, so I'm 40 inches around my back. There's my back.
How do you do that?
They're ready to bust the fuck out. Look at them. How could you not? How could you miss that? They're lethal. Flexi or guns. Look at that. She's not even a bodybuilder. And she's got like 13. And what did I just say? They were 13 and a half? Or 13?
Look at yours.
It's crazy. And the guys, some guys were talking about that too. They were saying how nice your guns are. Because someone's seen your clip, your bicep flexing clip, and they said she's got really impressive guns.
You don't have like an ounce of fat on your legs. You are rocked out.
Kidding. I'm just being cocky. When you have pecs like this, and biceps that could bounce like that, you know, you could be as feisty as you want. But seriously, how do they look? How do they look from this angle?